Every refinement begins deep within the earth. Scale defines the first step of copper's journey. Every movement here follows exact calculations. Raw stone yields under precision. This is copper in its earliest visible form. Millions of tons move one load at a time. The ascent carries raw value forward. Order controls industrial scale. Raw ore meets its first transformation point. Gravity begins the processing chain. Size is reduced, purpose is revealed. Movement never stops in production. Material is staged for continuity. Nothing rests for long. Flow is engineered, not accidental. The factory awaits its raw input. Extraction ends where transformation begins. From open air to controlled movement. Distance is conquered by continuity. Every handoff preserves momentum. Precision governs movement. Bulk demands efficient carriers. Containment protects value. Heavy loads move with purpose. Multiple paths, one destination.
Lead unit rolling out. Copy, lane clear.
Logistics bridges extraction and refination. Verification secures the chain. Data accompanies every ton. Arrival meets preparation. Input feeds the system. Streams converge efficiently. Volume becomes consistency. Transport yields to processing. Gravity resumes control. Transport ends at the gates of refination. Scale defines modern refinement. Raw material meets industrial order. Strength supports precision.
Doors are opening.
Right on time.
Let's get to it.
The process moves indoors. Here, raw ore begins transformation. Direction is engineered. Separation prepares refinement. Control never leaves human sight.
Flow looks steady. Pressure is holding.
Data guides every decision. Visibility ensures stability. Systems respond instantly. Uniformity is enforced. Nothing escapes specification. Prepared material advances. Depth increases complexity. The heart of processing approaches. Energy prepares the next change. Force becomes refinement. Solid meets fluid. Size dictates direction. Correction is continuous. Uniformity is achieved through motion. Chemistry prepares separation. Particles reveal their nature. Selectivity defines purity. What remains behind is deliberate. Value rises to the surface. Separation becomes concentration. Time refines structure. Gravity completes the sort. Density carries value forward. Moisture becomes the next target. Solids take form. Prepared for true transformation. Preparation intensifies before heat. Moisture is methodically removed. Consistency is enforced by heat. Material stability is restored. Precision governs thermal balance. Chemistry shapes separation. Entry to transformation is controlled. Extreme heat defines copper's core change. Controlled oxidation begins. Copper separates under fire. Density reveals hierarchy. Human precision meets extreme energy. Copper moves in liquid form. Byproducts are isolated efficiently. The path to purity narrows. Refinement advances to its next stage.
Steady now, guide it in. Crane's clear, load the next. Got it, moving in.
Cathode growth is accelerating.
I see it. Adjusting the current.
Levels stabilizing.
Strap this side tight. Brace is set. Good. Doors closing.
Dispatch approved. You're good to go. Copper leaves as a finished promise.